Hi folks, and welcome back to Off the Grid Houses for Sale. I'm Jesse Ivy. Today folks, we're going to be traveling to the state of Idaho, and we're going to be looking at this 5-bedroom, 3-bath log lodge with Red River frontage in this off-grid paradise. So if you're somebody who is seriously considering, either living off-grid, or you just want a place to go to that's probably, rather quite set up for you, so to speak, this would be the place. And if you also want some land around you, this also would be the place, because this 5-bedroom, 3-bath house is located in Elk City, Idaho, and it's on 10 acres. That's right, folks, 10 full acres. So as you travel through this home, make sure you check out the lodgy feel to it. I mean, it definitely has a very lodgy feel, and it's quite beautiful. The owners have done a tremendous job with this property, and it is located off the grid, so to speak. I mean, if you're somebody that wants to live off the grid, or you are really contemplating that idea, I invite you to investigate this house, because it's definitely right up there with that. It has it's a tremendous high-end 3,656 square foot home. It's 5 full bedroom, 3-bath. It has Red River frontage. Even though it's off the grid, I wouldn't say you're really roughing it. So let's look at some of the amenities to this house. The lot features garden space, RV parking. It's got on a private road, horses, shop. It borders publicly owned land. It has a storage shed. It's on, it's on the river, the Red River, this house, you can just tell that a lot of work went into it by the owners. I mean, if you look at this thing, there's a wood stove, a beautiful wood stove setting there with a rock formation. As you go through the house, you'll notice how it's lodgy. If you like a house that's or a lodge style house, this place would probably be for you. I'm looking through it now as we go through it. I mean, there's an upstairs as well. 3,656 square foot lodge home, and then you have 10 acres to boot on top of that. So the back deck is overlooking a fabulous meadow and the river. 1,200 square feet of covered porches, new garage shop, private yet easy access. I mean, and the Red R hot springs are close nearby, so it's not too far from that either. But one thing I really like about this home, it's off by itself, and then you're so close to all that BLM land. I mean, that BLM land, the private land, that's worth $100,000 right there. So if you're somebody that is interested and you're considering seriously moving off the grid, I would invite you to check this house out. Now, about this house, it's located once again in Elk City, Idaho. All the information about this listing, we have a Zillow link in the description of this video. You just need to click it, and it will take you to the realtor, the listing. It will go over the terms, the price, and all the good stuff about this property. And then you can either contact the realtor, or you can contact Zillow, and they'll put you in touch with the owner. But this home currently right now is for sale and available. So if you're somebody who is thinking about seriously moving off the grid, or you just want a vacation paradise that's set up that you don't have to do a lot to, this is the perfect spot for you. Anyway, this is Jesse. I'm getting ready here to sign off. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Off the Grid Houses for Sale, and we will be back again very soon with another video for you to watch. And this is Jesse signing off from the Owner Terms Land Network.